Welcome. Today we are talking about anchors. Do you ever struggle memorizing a speech or internalizing it? I do. I have I've had a few problems memorizing my speeches. And one of the ways that we can use to help us internalize our speeches is to use anchors in every one of the statements that we have, in the stories, and on the different points that we make. If we use anchors, we will be able to understand them and to internalize them better. Today, we're going to see one of the main anchors, which is the anecdotes. And then in the following days, we'll see another anchor, which is the analogies. The other one is acronyms. And the last one is activity. But for right now, let's stick with anecdotes, which is actually stories. And stories help us immensely to anchor your message or anchor your point in the mind of the audience. And it also helps you remember it better. And there are a number of elements that you need in the story in order for it to be a good story, in order for it to be remembered. First of all, it needs characters, it needs a conflict, it needs a cure. A cure is when you resolve the conflict and you have a guru there that might help you. And then you have a change when you go from the conflict, you resolve it. And then after you cure it, then what's the new change for you? What's the new life? And that's the change. And the last one is the call to action, which is the message. And all this helps you to remember what you're going to be doing. So that's why the story is such a powerful tool. Thank you very much for listening. We see you again tomorrow. Stay safe, stay proactive, looking for those anchors that help you remember your story and to anchor it in the mind of the audience. Thank you. Goodbye.